It's fun for it. You gotta get a video. Dude, did you get that on video?
Seagull. Here, let me. Here.
Dude, it's gonna fly away so fast.
Yeah.
Where's its face?
Don't, it'll peck you, man. It's not happy.
There's its wing.
Oh, dude, it'll peck you.
There's its wing.
Dude.
Close it. Close it, dude.
Dude, look at its friends. I already got one, Dad.
No, I want one. Did you guys get a video of me catching it?
No.
No. We couldn't. We would have scared it.
I want to see this thing. Oh, it's biting the sheet. Oh.
That is a seagull. Watch out, Phil. There's a seagull caught under the blanket. Trevor's catching it, and Seth is holding it and poking it.
Dude, its eye, it doesn't blink.
So here's my way.
Oh my! Dude, this is so mean, man.
Will it hurt if it bites you?
Dude, I'll just send you the video.
Somehow we need to grab its neck and like
Bring it in the car.